Hello, I'm Simon from ASG, and I'm just going to run through some of the products that we have to supply all your needs for your live well or fish box. I'm going to start first of all with the Atwood aerators and recirculating pumps, as well as some of the accessories that come with them. So first of all, you need to get your water into your live well, so you use your standard aerator pump. This is the Tsunami series aerator. Put that through the transom of your boat and then feed your tank to fill it with the outlet. We have elbows of various different sizes. The pumps are available in 5, 800 and 1200 gallons per hour. When the water is in your live well, you want to either keep putting it in, cycling it with fresh water, or you want to put it into recirc mode. So either way, you need to have a little nozzle that's spraying that water and pulling a little bit of air and oxygen down into your live well to keep those fish fully oxygenated. We have recirculating kits. So for the aftermarket, you can buy the pump, the filter and the spray nozzle, and then you can fit that to a tank that doesn't have a recirc option, or you can just buy that pump on its own and fit it as you desire. For the slightly more complicated systems, we have the dual outlet aerators. These aerators come with various different threads and lengths, but they are at an 800 capacity. They have one outlet which can feed your tank, and a second outlet that can feed a second tank, or indeed be a pickup for the likes of a washdown system. That comes with elbows as well. So now you've got your water going into your live well, you've got a recirc in there to make sure that your fish are oxygenated. At the end of the day, you want to evacuate that water. In order to evacuate the water, you might need a pump to lift it and put it out because there's no gravity to allow that water to drain out. And the best pump for this is the Goldberg grouper. The Goldberg grouper works slightly differently to an aerator pump. These have spinning impellers to get the water in nice and fast, whereas the Goldberg grouper has a reciprocating diaphragm. The reason that we choose diaphragm for pump out is because there might be a lot of debris, there may be various different things in the water that a centrifugal pump cannot deal with. So this pump will not clog and it will not block. It'll suck all those bits of fish or tackle or whatever it might be, bait fish as well. It'll suck them all in as the diaphragm moves back, and as the diaphragm moves forward, it will push them out. As with all of our gulper pumps, it has tricuspid valves on the inlet and on the outlet, and you can buy it in a straight through version. This is the Mark II. We also have one that is more orientated to replace the Macerator pumps, where you have your inlet and your outlet. Now all of these pumps come with 1.5 inch for your inlet and outlet, but also the option to have a 1 inch inlet and outlet as well. They come with the non-return valves, and as with all gulpers, you can loosen the clamping ring and spin the head to suit your particular installation. So nothing will ever get trapped inside of these, whether no matter how big the fish parts or your tackle are, it will suck everything out and put it overboard. And one of the really nice things with this versus the Macerator is with the Macerator, you turn it on and you sit and you wait until that Macerator changes noise. You know that it's now running dry, and then you turn it off. It's very time consuming, and if you don't get it right, the current will spike very high and can blow your fuse. With the Goldberg grouper, you turn it on and walk away. You can go and empty your boat, take things, pack up your car, come back down to the pump. It may still be running and it may have pumped it dry, but it won't have a huge current spike, and it will be protected from running dry. So that's everything in regards to our fish boxes or live wells. Thank you very much.